If you're looking to enhance your cycling experience with a reliable light and horn combo, you've come to the right place. In today's video, we're showcasing the top 5 best bicycle light horns on Amazon for 2025. These tools are essential for safety and convenience during night rides, helping you stay visible and heard on the road. Before we dive in, make sure to subscribe to Hype Tech Picks, like the video, and share it if you find it helpful. For up-to-date prices on each item, check the links in the description below. Let's get started. Number 1. Ascher Bicycle Light Horn. First up, we've got the Ascher Bicycle Light Horn, a reliable multifunctional safety accessory that's perfect for cyclists who want convenience without compromising on performance. This set includes a rechargeable front headlight and tail light, both powered by lithium batteries, 2000 mAh for the front and 330 mAh for the rear. And both are USB rechargeable, meaning you can top them up anywhere, whether that's with a power bank or a computer. What's great about the Ascher light is its versatility. You've got 4 lighting modes at your fingertips: full brightness, half brightness, slow flashing, and fast flashing. A handy feature for cycling through different conditions. Whether you're riding at night or need to catch someone's attention during the day, it's got you covered. Plus, the sleek design keeps it lightweight, and with its IPX4 waterproof rating, it can handle anything from light rain to fog. Installing it is a breeze. No tools required, just a quick setup with the adjustable silicone straps, and you're good to go. While it doesn't come with an integrated horn or fancy remote control, it provides all the essential features you need. Whether you're commuting, hiking, or just biking around town, the Ascher Light Horn set is a solid, reliable option. Number 2. Victoper Bicycle Light Horn. Next, let's talk about the Victoper Bicycle Light Horn, a heavy-duty, super practical option for anyone who loves to ride at night. With dual LED lights, packing a powerful 1,500 lumen punch, these lights ensure you're visible on dark roads, trails, or city paths. It also comes with an impressive range of modes, 6 for the front light and 4 for the rear. You can switch between them easily, with options like strobe and breathing light, perfect for different riding environments. Durability is key here. The Victoper light set is made from tough aluminum alloy and is both shock-proof and IPX4 waterproof, so it'll keep going strong through rain or rough terrain. It's lightweight at just 4 O's, which means you won't feel weighed down, and you can install or remove it without any tools. Whether you're a commuter or a weekend adventurer, the Victoper Light Horn provides high performance without breaking the bank. It's also a great gift for cyclists of any age, especially those who love to ride at night. Number 3. Lesovi Bicycle Light Horn. Now, let's check out the Lesovi Bicycle Light Horn. This one really balances brightness, battery life, and functionality. With 12 CoB lamp beads, it offers amazing illumination, plus a wide 180-degree viewing angle. That's great for keeping you visible in both urban traffic and on dimly lit trails. You've got 4 light modes to choose from: strong, weak, flash, and SOS, each offering different battery run times between 225 and 610 minutes. And if you ever find yourself in an emergency situation, the SOS mode could really come in handy. A standout feature here is the 110 decibel adjustable horn, which has 5 sound modes to alert pedestrians and vehicles. It's a must-have for busy city streets or crowded bike lanes. Plus, with a fast-charging 1200 mAh battery that powers up in just 1.5 hours via USB-C, you'll spend more time riding and less time waiting for a charge. The installation is easy too. No tools needed, just stretchable straps that fit most handlebars. This light is all about simplicity, bright output, and fast charging, making it perfect for anyone who wants no fuss, reliable performance on their rides. Number 4. Favorbrite Bicycle Light Horn. Coming in at number 4, we've got the Favorbrite Bicycle Light Horn, a practical and reliable choice for any cyclist. The headlight is powerful, pushing out 1,400 lumens to light up the road ahead, while the rear light offers great visibility with its 2 modes, high and strobe. The lights come with a handy anti-theft mode, which is activated by holding down the on-off button for 3 seconds, a great security feature for when you're parking your bike in public places. The integrated horn is another plus, offering a quick and easy way to alert others when needed. It's powered by a 1200 mAh rechargeable battery that gives you up to 3 hours of use in full brightness mode, and recharging is simple with the USB cable provided. Installation is fast and tool-free, and it's compatible with a wide range of handlebars, seat posts, and even scooters and strollers. Weighing. Installation is fast and tool-free, and it's compatible with a wide range of handlebars, seat posts, and even scooters and strollers. Weighing just 4 ounces for the entire set, it's incredibly portable and doubles as an emergency flashlight if you need one. While it lacks some of the more advanced features like multiple horn modes, its practical design and security features make it a solid everyday companion for your bike. Number 5. NP Night Bicycle Light Horn. Finally, we have the NP Night Bicycle Light Horn, a top-of-the-line safety accessory for cyclists who want maximum visibility. This one stands out for its 6 powerful horn sound effects, which cut through urban traffic and crowded trails. When you need to be heard, the NP Night has you covered. But it's not just about the sound. It also boasts an impressive 8-mode lighting system, including steady beams and multiple strobe effects. This means you'll stay visible, whether it's day or night. The light and sound work together too. When the horn sounds, the integrated LED lights flash at the same time, making sure you get noticed. Installation is super easy with the upgraded V2 controller switch, designed for easy use even while wearing gloves. The NP Night Light is also water-resistant, so it can handle bad weather, and it features a quick USB-C charging port for fast recharges. If you're willing to invest in something that's both bright and loud, the NP Night Bicycle Light Horn is a great choice for urban cyclists or anyone riding in busy, unpredictable environments.